Mr. Speaker, this petition is signed by people in my riding, many of whom have taken significant steps to support newcomers to Canada from Ukraine, people who have come to Canada for the time of the illegal and unprovoked full-scale Russian invasion of Ukraine. Ukrainian newcomers are hardworking, they're committed to contributing to Canadian society while they're here, but petitioners are concerned about how young people who come here under the emergency authorization for travel are not being able to occupy positions that are associated with the Canada Summer Jobs Program. The Summer Jobs Program funds many positions that young people might apply to, and this exclusion prevents Ukrainian young people in large part from accessing summer jobs that are available to all of their peers and almost everybody else here in Canada. This is unjust and unreasonable according to petitioners. Folks that are here in Canada, they should be able to work and contribute alongside everyone else. Therefore, the undersigned call on the Government of Canada to allow Ukrainian youth under the Canada-Ukraine Authorization for Emergency Travel to apply for jobs under the CSJ program. Thank you.
Presenting petitions.